Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After create a page for a social media post, let's go to the element and let's search for a wooden table side view. Here we're going to design a food poster. Let's search for a table. Let's take this table and place it and remove the background. Now place the table under the page, bottom side of the page. Then now go to the element and search for a black and red background. Let's take this background and replace to the page background, and now go to the element and search for a burger picture. Take this picture and place it on the middle of the table, and again go to the element and search for a shadow, black shadow. Let's take this black shadow let's take this shadow, round shadow, and place it under the burger for create a drop shadow. Make this shadow little bit darker and place it behind the burger and press Alt and copy the shadow. And now adjust the shadow and the burger together so that it's look like a burger shadow. Now from the text panel, take a text box and type hot and spicy. Type hot and special and change the font style. Keep this font style for now and take another text box and type burger. Now change the font for a burger. Let's take this font and make the burger little bit bigger and adjust it over the burger and place it in center. Place all of these things in center alignment. Now let's see. I think keep this white color and change the color of hot and special. Now go to the element and search for a fire line. Take this fire line and adjust it with the table and place it behind the burger. Give an effect in table. Now adjust these things. Now go to the element and search for a fire sparks. Let's take this spark and place it where it is look good. Take another two and adjust it in different places. And now go to the element and search for a dialog box. Take this box and let's change the color according to the content. Give it a yellow and red color. Now take a text box and type the text. Now for the 20%, go to the effect and give it a outline for white. Now go to the element and search for a curve, and let's take this curve line and place it with the burger like this. And now go to the element and search for a red light or a red corner light. Take this light and adjust it on the right corner of the page and make it behind all the elements. Now adjust the text and the fire sparks. Go to the element and search for a tomato slice. Let's take this slice and keep it one in left side and one in right side. And now again go to the element and search for a leaf. Let's search for a coriander leaf. Adjust it like this. And now let's make these elements a little bit blur. Make them blur. Go to the edit and the blur and make these things blur. Now select the hot and special and change the font style in handwriting font. Now go to the element and find the shape. Let's take this rectangle shape and change the color in yellow and give it a border, a black border. Now take a text box and type order now and place it with the shape. Now take a text box and type the number, and take another text box and type call us for home delivery. Now go to the element and search for a ribbon. Let's take this ribbon, flip it horizontally and adjust it behind the text. And now go to the element and search for a QR code. Let's take this QR code and adjust it on the bottom left corner of the page. We already moved the order now in middle. Now adjust all the things. Now go to the element and search for a fast food logo. Let's take this logo and make it smaller and adjust it on the right corner and type the name of a restaurant. Adjust it with the logo. Change the font style. Now let's find our logo and Creation Limited. Adjust it on the left corner. Now adjust all the things properly. So it's done. Here it is, a social media post for a restaurant or a cafe. If you need this kind of design or any kind of design need you have, please contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.